Good morning, crafty peeps. Welcome to my first episode of Valentine's Chopped. Hiya! This is hosted by the wonderfully talented crafter Tiffany, Crafting Like a Boss McGill. So if you want to check out her YouTube channel, you will find out all about this competition that we're doing, or actually crafty challenge, shall I say. So if you have ever watched the Food Network show called Chopped, this show is a food competition where chefs are given 3 baskets: the appetizer basket, an American comfort food basket, and then of course the dessert basket, and they have to create these wonderfully amazing delicious creations using these 3 crazy ingredients. So Tiffany has challenged us to do a crafter chopped. Okay, and this one is Valentine's themed, obviously, hence my little beautiful hearts here. And so what she's done is she sent us a package, which I'm going to get it out right now. Okay, and I have not even opened it yet. As you can see, it is still sealed. So today I'm only going to open up the first ingredient. Okay, so let's check out what she has sent us. And we have so many other amazingly, wonderfully talented crafters that are doing this challenge as well. And I just thought this competition was going to be so much fun. So I'm super excited. So let's see if she has a number. Ooh, she sent me yummies. Thank you. Aw, I am so excited. So this is basically a YouTube Hop challenge. And I thought this was so creative. So, okay, so we have Project 1. Project 3 and Project 2. So I'm going to put Project 2 and 3 back, okay, because I don't want any spoiler alerts. Okay, so let's open up Project 1 and see what it is. Okay, what the heck is this? It is, okay, all right, so here we go. It is a, oh, I can't even get it open. I'm sure what it is. Okay, here we go. I love how you did the Christmas paper wrap inverted. That was cute. So it's a tube, okay? And then she sent me some Valentine's paper. Oh my gosh, what the heck am I going to do with this? Okay. So I have a little bit of inspirational Valentine's paper. I have some little confetti sequins that are iridescent. And then I have this little stick of tinsel. And also, she sent me a paper clip. So, I have no idea what I'm going to make. But anyway, thank you, Tiffany, so much for inviting me to do this. And I am so super excited. I'm going to get started on this right now. But I want to go ahead and post this video. I hope that you all visit the other channels as well. And, of course, don't forget to visit our host, Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill. That is her YouTube channel. And I'll have all those links down below. So I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. And I don't want to cheat, but can y'all give me some ideas? No, I'm just playing. No. I'll wait. Bye, guys.